Let's now determine how to select a suitable indicator. Remember, indicators are effectively dyes which change colour at a variety of pHs. Now, not all indicators are suitable for a particular reaction, and it's important you consider their pH ranges when picking a suitable indicator. So bromo cresol green has a pH range of 3.8 to 5.4, phenol red 6.8 to 8.4, thymolphthalene 9.3 to 10.5. So here's a reaction here. We can see we started with a weak acid and a strong base. When selecting an indicator, it's important that the indicator's range lies within the vertical part of the titration curve. So based on that information, the thymolphthalene and the phenol red are both suitable indicators. These colours here represent their range. So as you'd expect, that sits between 9.3 and 10.5. This one sits between 6.8 and 8.4. Bromo cresol green, that has a range of 3.8 to 5.4, as you can see, doesn't sit within the vertical part of the titration curve and as a result would not be suitable. You'll probably be used to this, but a good indicator by definition will show a sharp colour change in order to give a precise endpoint. And that explains why universal indicator is no good here, because it shows a range of colours. It needs to have a colour change in the vertical part of the titration curve, and clearly that colour change needs to be distinct so that the endpoint is obvious. Do note that there's no indicator suitable for weak acid and weak base titration because this vertical part of that titration curve is too short, because the weak acid's pH will start high, the weak base's pH will start quite low, reducing the size of the vertical portion. A beaker contains 25 centimetres cubed of a buffer solution at pH 3. Another beaker contains 25 centimetres cubed of a buffer solution at pH 12. 2 drops of each of the 3 indicators in the table are added to the solution. State the colour of the mixture of indicators in this buffer solution, assuming that the indicators do not react with each other. So we'll start with our beaker that contains pH 3. Let's take each of our indicators in turn. So bromo cresol green, it's going to be yellow at pH 3. Phenol red will also be yellow, and thymolphthalene will be colourless. What about our solution that's at pH 12? Bromo cresol green will be blue, phenol red will be red, thymolphthalene will be blue. So what will the overall colours be? Well, you've got yellow, yellow, colourless over here. So our colour will be overall yellow. Over here we've got blue, red, blue, so overall the colour will be purple.